this photo, and I will edit this photo like a pro editor. So click here, then click on background, then click here, then come back. Then if you want to remove your photo's background, you will click magic remover and your background will be removed quick. And if you not remove here, you will click. So friends, your background has removed. Then you will click here adjustment. Then you can adjust your photo's brightness level. If your photo's brightness level is low, you can increase up and decrease like this. So friends, then you will click on contrast and you can manage your contrast in your photo. Then click on saturation, then click saturation, then click on vibrance. So you can manage your photo just like this. Then you will click on temperature, so you can change your photos all backgrounds like this. See friends, then last one is hue. Hue is a best filter to make your photo colorful, so you can easily change your photo's color. Then you will come and then you will click on filter. So there are many filters in KineMaster filter setting, so you can apply one by one all these filters and then manage this brightness up and down. Then friend, there are many filters. So vivid, warm, cold, mono, all. Mono is a white, black and white photo filter. So friends, you can easily manage one of these like this. So friends, you apply all these filters and make your photo beautiful. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's see you next video. Tata, bye.